Yeah, here is 379 Peterbilt. Nice as ever. Here's all the John Deere tractors, old school and everything. What? I know. I'm getting to it. That's kind of cool. You don't see that very often, do you, people? Ah, there's the back end of a Pete. No, that's a freight shaker right there. She's a beauty too. Oh, there's good lights right there. Oh yeah. Very nice indeed. Very nice. Yeah, I'm video cameraing. Let's see. Yeah, we got a Home Depot, Ross Bros, Pepsi, a little bit more old school. Let's see what we got over here. Looks like we got a old towing vehicle. I'm sure it's probably an International or a Freightliner. There goes an old Mack right there. Yeah, beautiful. There's Pepsi right there. You don't see this very often, Huel. Not very often. It looks like we got over here a few Caterpillars. Oh, there goes a Kenworth. Right there. Quad axle truck. Got the extra axle in it and stuff like that. Looks like this guy's hauling wood, particles, stuff like that. Got the flatbed right there, babies. Woo! Shiny rims. Oh, even shinier. What is this, Freightliner? Yep, definitely a Freightliner. Flat sides. Nice as ever. Very nice. Oh, coming up with 379 Peterbilt, Home Depot. Yeah. Here's the wonderful family. On the left is Alan. On the right is my mother.
Is that not the shit? And all he did was point.
And she's waving. There's B. There's Dallas. And there's my lovely sister Kat. Oh, jeez. So beautiful out here. Ain't it, Kat?
Wait a second. Bring Dallas back here. Let's get pictures of me and Dallas by the Home Depot.
And Caterpillars. There goes a towing truck right there. Alright, well, I'm going to shut this off. We'll get some more footage a little bit later. Have a good night, people.